So we're going to be creating IAM based on these core security principles on Amazon Cloud Practitioner Cloud Quest. Yeah. So go to the console, search IAM, and go to the groups, create group. So here, the group name we have to create here is support engineers. Click on next step. Easy to read only. So under policy name, and then click create user group. Policies, which is applicable to this group that we're creating. So you click on this and click create user group. So now user group has been created. And the next thing to do is to go to users and click on users and specify user details. So you create a username, support engineer 1. So the thing here is that I am that's identity access manager, identity and access management system, where to create user. So one. So the thing here is it shows you like the whole steps to take, and provide user access management console, and you choose a password. This is default part. This is a password where custom password. Show password and clear users must clear this part. Now, the thing here is you can decide to, whenever a user logs in, you can decide to use this as a default password so that whenever a user logs in, they'll be prompted to create a new password. But here, this is a test environment, and we're not going to use that. So saving it. So I'm going to add user to a group of support engineers. Add user to a group. And click on permission summary, value support engineer. So for the review and create step, we'll click add new tag. Next, add new tag. Now there's a key that has been given here. For key, we're going to type in job title. For value, we'll put in support engineer. Then you click on create user. User has been created. Now we can download this as a CSV file, just in case you want to, or email sign-in instructions to the user. So click return to users list, click continue to pop. Sure. Next, return to user list, and click on continue. User has been created successfully. You can view user if you want to. Concept is, as an administrator, you can sign in as your newly created user to review the access level. Regularly change your password and make sure that IAM users in your account are regularly change theirs. if you allow users to change their own password, create a custom password policy. So that requires them to create strong passwords. So in a new incognito private browser mode, copy the link. We didn't copy the link to the URL. It's here. Incognito window. Mouse login. Sign as an IAM user. It's going to create um, IAM user. Oh, here's the console sign-in link. Copy, paste in a new, so you can see my screen. Hold on, let me just make that come up on the other end, where you can see my screen. Yeah, so here, copy this link under the username. What was the username again? Support engineer 1. Then the password. The password was sign in. So now you can go into EC2 and choose North Virginia zone, which is what we're going to be working on. So instances running just one instance, and go to lab server. Click on instance state, terminate or delete instance. Now, the idea is we cannot delete. So users can perform actions only that are allowed by the assigned AN policies. They cannot delete an instance because the group that was created, um, the group policy doesn't allow instances to be deleted from there. So let's go over to DIY section of this lab. So the DIY goals is to grant the support engineers group read-only access to Amazon RDS. So how do we go about this? We have to go to the users group, the lab files here, no. So we're going to check group policies. We're looking for EC2 read-only access policy. So search EC2 read-only access. So now we're going to user groups, support engineers, need it. And go to permissions and add permissions, attach policies. So it's EC2 read-only access. And this here. EC2 read-only access. So you can click on entities attached. You can attach the support engineers to the policy. RDS read-only access. Support engineer 1 to 0, then attach policy. Support engineers group has been assigned access. Read-only access and RDS read-only access. read only access. Next. And add permissions. So now we have to validate that this has been done. Click on provide the group name, support engineers. Support engineers and validate. So here we'll see if those policies, the RDS read-only access and EC2 read-only access. So let's see permissions. So this only, okay. So attach policies. Let me do it again. RDS. Read-only access. Attach policy. Policy is attached to user group. And validate again. While it's still validating. Yeah. EC2 and read-only. Yeah, so yeah. So this has been done. I don't know why it didn't happen the first time. Yeah. So this has been done. Click on end. Done this already. So I really don't. Oh, okay. Exit is down over here. So you can answer the survey or no thanks. I usually answer the survey after I am done. So you can see my level cloud practitioner level here is around 75%. So I have to have more quests to complete. And next. Yep. So the next task for me to do. So I have two more assignments to claim the AWS Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner badge. So the next one is auto healing and scaling applications. So you can stay tuned for the next video so you can work with me. Thank you.